Hey there, folks! Today, I'm diving into the features and performance of the LS Tractor Radio 12V AM/FM Bluetooth streaming USB. Let's talk convenience first. This unit boasts a direct plug-and-play installation, meaning no tedious wire splicing required. Just plug in the hardwired 6-pin harness, and you're good to go. Now, onto connectivity. With built-in Bluetooth, you can seamlessly pair your smartphone for hands-free calling or stream music from apps like Pandora and Spotify. Plus, the front panel USB port not only allows for music playback but also conveniently charges your device on the go. Need to summon Siri or Google Assistant? Simply press the hot button and command away. The high-resolution LCD display ensures easy visibility and quick access to your favorite options. And with 30 station presets on the AM/FM receiver, you'll always have your go-to stations at hand. The versatility of this unit extends to its compatibility with multiple models, but be sure to cross-check with the provided picture for a snug fit. In terms of sound, you have 4 preset EQ curves to choose from, along with a 2-band tone control for fine-tuning your audio experience. Whether you're out in the fields or on the job, the LS Tractor Radio enhances your productivity and entertainment on the go. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.